When it comes to revamping, conditioning is one of the important parts of hair revamping. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria. Just in case you're seeing me for the first time, welcome. You all know I'm all about DIYs and teaching you how to do stuff at the comfort of your home. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, like and share this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to condition your hair, your wigs from the comfort of your home, like a professional. In this video, I'll be mixing more than one conditioner. So I'll be starting with my keratin hair mask. What this does is to strengthen and repair damaged hair and make sure it comes out smoother, shinier, and manageable. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this. You can use any of this conditioner individually on your wigs or hair, but if you want it to have this professional texture, you need to mix more than one product, especially if your hair is damaged or you have a very dry hair. You need to mix more than one product. I'll be adding the keratin treatment milk. This product helps with varieties of hair concerns such as smoothing your hair, strengthening your hair strands, and repair hair follicles. It can also help in moisturizing your hair and locking water molecules to your hair. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this product. Next is our almighty silicone mix. One thing you don't know is that human hair or wigs tend to have a very porous hair, which tends to dry out quickly or have trouble holding onto moisture. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this. What this conditioner does is that it fills the cuticles to make it less porous and help with hydration retention. That is why you see a well revamped hair is always looking shiny, and not because of the hair serum, but the product used in achieving a good strand or texture. So our next on the list is Adore Crystal Clear. What this product does is it gives your hair little shine just after washing. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of this. So once your ingredients are ready, you mix together to get a smooth consistency or a smooth paste. So one thing you should know is that you can use other conditioner. It mustn't just be this one, but one thing is that these are the main ingredients needed for hair revamping. If you have mayonnaise, hair mayonnaise, you can add it. I already ran out of hair mayonnaise, so I'm not using it for this video. But if you have hair mayonnaise, it's also inclusive. So this is how I deep condition all my human hairs, and it comes out very silky and smooth. So the next thing to do after getting a smooth consistency is to get your wig and start the process. If your wig is clean, you have to skip the shampoo part and just wet your wig and start up with this process. But once your wig is dirty, you have to wash it. Using the tresemme smooth and silky conditioner, I already did a video how to identify the fake and the original tresemme in case you are buying it from the market, so you won't get the fake. So you can watch my video, my previous video. Put the I'm going to put the link somewhere there so that you can watch my previous video on how to identify fake and original tresemme products. You can see the dirt coming out from this wig. When washing your wig, you have to be careful at this closure side so it won't tangle after it gets dry. And don't forget to wash inside of your wig cap. Always be careful at this closure part, else it will rumple. So this is what my first wash looked like. I will be applying my shampoo for second wash because I want my wig to come out as clean as possible. Make sure you rinse it, just let it come out clean, then you proceed to the next step. So now that we are here, this is the wig I'll be applying my conditioner into. And if your wig is clean, you just have to skip the shampoo part. Just all you just need to do is to wet your hair because we are going to be working with a wet hair. So you need to wet your wig before you start applying your paste or your conditioner into it. Whenever you are doing this, always remember to apply generous amounts of air conditioner to your hair. You don't have to be stingy, so it will make the work easier for you and make the result come out the way you would like. Always use your finger to detangle your wig before combing in order to prevent hair breakage, like much hair breakage. Just like what I'm doing here, I'm detangling it with my finger before I use my comb on it. You need to be very careful at the closure side, just like what I'm doing. You don't want to scrape off all the strands there. You don't want it to start looking like, I don't know, you won't just like it. Just try to be careful, don't comb too much. Then after making use of my comb, then I go with my brush to also brush it out so everything will come out evenly. So once you're done with that part, you fold your wig in a responsible way and put in a ziploc bag. Then zip it up. If you have wig cap, you can use this to eat your hair. I use this to do my natural hair alone. So I'm just giving you illustration. You can use this to steam your hair. But if you don't have this, there are still other options you can use. Other option, you can use your microwave and let it stay for 1 or 2 minutes before you wash off. You can see it's a sunny day. You can also do the natural method by leaving your wig under the hot sun throughout the day. Then once the sun sets, you wash off. So any of these three ways you can use in steaming your hair. I do see some people using hot water or boiling their wig in hot water, but I haven't done that yet. I haven't tried that method. So these are the three methods I normally use to revamp my hair. Once you are done with that, you wash your hair and dry. If it is urgent, you sun dry. But if it is not urgent, you can just leave it in a enclosed place and let it dry off. So hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. You can also turn on the post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you guys for always supporting, and see you in my next video. Bye.